Hello, I'm Philip Hayes with SunSouth LLC. Today we'll be using the parts purchased belt gauge for a variable fan drive on an 8R series tractor. The part number is R569237. It can be purchased through the parts department, and we'll be checking the width of the variable fan drive belt, which is a 500-hour maintenance check. I'm going to use part number R569237, and I'm going to use the 9-liter side because this engine is equipped with a 9-liter to check the belt for wear, which will cause a fan drive code. As you see right here, the belt does not fit when I would be doing my 500-hour grease for maintenance, so the belt is good. If the belt fits within the 9-liter mark for this particular application, you would need to refer to the operator's manual or technical manual and remove and replace the belt when greasing the fan drive. If you fail to check the belt width, it can cause fan drive failure, also even if you are greasing the fan drive.